Hello, my English groupies. Welcome back. I'm always so happy to see you. I am Teacher Angela. In the past few weeks, we've been learning our colors. Some of our colors, there's lots of them. Let's review our colors very quickly. Do you remember? What is it? It is blue. Excellent. What is it? It is green. Very good. What color? It is red. Excellent. What color is it? It is yellow. Very good. What color is it? It is pink. What color is it? It is black. And our last one, what color is it? It is white. Very good. How do I, if you like this color, how do I ask that? We say, do you like? Do you like? And we're going to add, do you like blue? Do you like blue? Do you like blue? Let's hear you. Do you like blue? Do you like blue? When we get faster, do you like blue? But let's practice. Do you like blue? Very good, very good. I like blue. So we say, yes, I do. When we ask, do you? We answer, yes, I do. Let's practice. Do you like blue? Excellent. And we say, if we do, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Excellent. Very good. How about if I, bleh, no blue. So I say, no, I don't. Yeah? No, I don't. Let's practice. No, I don't. No, I don't. Very good. Our question. Do you like blue? Excellent. Very good. What if? Yes. What do we say? Yes, I do. Excellent. What about no? We say no, I don't. Excellent. Very good. How about green? Do you like green? What do you think? Do you like green? We can say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. Very good. No, I don't. Excellent. Very good. Red. Do red. Yeah? Do you like red? Do. Very good. Let's change. What if I say no? How do I say? No, I don't. Very good. No, I don't. Excellent. How about if I do? I like red. What do I say? Do you like red? Yes, I do. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Yellow. Do you like yellow? Let's hear. Excellent. We can say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yeah, very good. Or how about, no, I don't. No. Very good. And no, I don't. Do you like pink? Do you like pink? What do you think? Excellent. What if, yes, we say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. How about, no, blah. Boys say, no, I don't. Very good. Very good. Excellent. How about this one? Do you like black? Do you like black? Excellent. Let's say no. What will we say? Do you like black? No, I don't. Yeah, very good. No, I don't. Very good. Do you like black? No, I don't. How about we do? So, do you like black? Yeah, we say, yes, I do. Excellent. Yes, I do. Very good. How about white? Do you like white? Very good. Do you like white? Let's say yes. How do we answer? We say yes. Yes, I do. You got it. You got it. Yes, I do. Excellent. Excellent. How about, oh, no, 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 no. How do we say that? No, no, I don't. Right? Do you like white? No, I don't. Excellent. Very good. Good job. Very good. Let's practice. Let's start with blue. Do you like blue? How will you answer? No, I don't. Excellent. Very good. Excellent. How about this one? Do you like yellow? Yes, I do. Excellent. Very good. How about this one? Do you like black? Very good. Yes. No, I don't. That's right. No, I don't. Excellent. How about white? Do you like white? Yes, I do. Excellent. Excellent. You're getting the hang of this. How about red? Do you like red? No, I don't. Excellent. One more, one more. We'll do green on green. Do you like green? Yes, I do. Excellent. You've got it. Practice. Ask your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister. Do you like? And get them to practice with you. Good job, everyone. Hello, my English groupies, and thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button below. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. I am Angela, and I want to thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next class.